Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to view the video from output from your Romo robot. On your DJI ROMO, you will, if you want to view the output from the camera, to, for example, see like a lot of things. You can see like what's happening with the robot or what's happening at your house. Because it is equipped with cameras, then you can simply before you first use it, set up the video output. So you'll need to click on the video on the camera, then click on here and click on start. Now when you click on start, it's gonna ask you to simply press on the button on the top of the charging station. So I'm going to click on start.
At top of base station.
Okay, I have set it, and now let's set a password for authentication. It's just a passkey. It's a code, a PIN code. And when I click on start, I need to enter it. Once it's set, and I can see my remote video. So it's gonna load for a little moment. Let's see.
Start remote video.
Yeah, it displays my remote video. I could move the robot with the controls here. I could enter my microphone on the phone. So now when I say when I say something, it's gonna say it on the robot, or you can also play the sound from the robot on your phone, so you can communicate that way. When you click here, it doesn't really do anything because I think it's return to base station button. So that is basically it. I'm gonna leave.
Exit remote video.
Yeah, I'm gonna exit the remote video, and that's basically how you can do it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.